Okay, hello my students. This is GST123 Introduction to French. It's a 2-unit course. I, Ade Agbotunde John, a professor of French from the Department of French, will be taking you this week. With contents, we are to study French alphabet and parts of the body, differences and similarities between French and English alphabets. We are going to match objects with alphabets, study the parts of the body, and we are going to study a conversation between a patient and a doctor that is complaining of ailments before you have your assignment for the week. Now, French and English alphabets share the same alphabets. The difference is only at the level of pronunciation. Listen and pronounce with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Listen again so that you get the right pronunciation. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let us try to match some objects with the alphabets and objects together. A, A as in arbre. A pour arbre. Arbre means tree. B pour bic, bic. B pour bic, bic. Biro, that is biro. Bic means biro. C as in chat. Pour chat, chat. Say chat. Chat means cat. Cat is a domestic animal. D, dendon. Dendon, as in dendon. D pour dendon. Dendon means turkey. E pour écureuil. Écureuil. Écureuil means squirrel. It means squirrel in English language. F, it sounds like F in English. F means fee. Fee stands for F. F means fee means girl. G, garçon. Garçon. G pour garçon. Garçon means boy. H, haricot. Haricot. H pour haricot, for haricot. Haricot means beans. I, yam. Yam means yam. Just as it wants to resemble the same way in English, but see the orthograph in the French language. Yam. G, J, means you. You for G. For G, K, KP. KP means face cap. L pour Lou. Lou means wolf in English. M, men. M pour men. Men means ant. N, nez. N pour nez. Nez means nose. O, oiseau. Oiseau means bird. P, porc-épic. P stands for porc-épic, and porc-épic means porcupine. Porcupine is an animal. Quail. Q pour quail. Quail is for red line, means red line. R, radio. R pour radio. Radio means radio in English language too. Sac. Sac is sac. Sac is sac. Only that the spelling is different. Table. Table. T means table. Table means table. Urine. 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 Urine means urine in English. It means urine in English, but we call it urine in French. Valabi. 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 Valabi means air. Hare. That animal with long ear. Xylophone. 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 This means xylophone in English language. Yacht. Yacht means yacht, the same thing in English and French. Z. We call it Z in English, but it is Z in French. Zebra. It means zebra in English. Now, let us study parts of human body, parts of our body. Les parties du corps. Say it after me. That the topic is les parties du corps humain. Les parties du corps humain. La tête means head. Les épaules means shoulder. Le nez means nose. Les oreilles means ears. Le menton means jaw. Le menton. Le cou means neck. Les dents means teeth in English. Les lèvres means lips. Les orteils means toes. L'estomac means stomach. Les moustaches. See my moustache. Les moustaches means moustache in English. Les orteils means toes. Les mains means hand. La bouche means mouth means la bouche. Les genoux means knees. Les genoux means knees. Les fesses means bottom. Les yeux means eyes. Les cheveux means hair. Hair on your head. The hair you have on your head. Le front. See, le front. Forehead. Le front. It means forehead in English. Les doigts. You discover that I don't pronounce the last consonants. It's on rare occasion we pronounce the last consonant in French language. Les doigts. Means fingers. Note the difference between les doigts and les orteils. Les orteils means toes, while les doigts means fingers. Les jambes means legs. Les seins means breast. Les bras means arms. Les jambes means legs. Le joue means cheeks. Le dos means back. Les pieds means feet. La langue, and finally la langue means tongue. See my tongue. La langue means tongue. Now we are still continuing with the parts of the body, parts of human body, les parties du corps. We need to use these subjects in sentences. so that you know how they appear in sentences. Je marche avec mes pieds. Je marche avec mes pieds. I walk with my foot. I walk with my feet. I walk with my feet. J'écoute avec mes oreilles. J'écoute avec mes oreilles. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Je parle avec ma bouche. Je parle avec ma bouche. I speak with my mouth. I speak with my mouth. Je parle avec ma bouche. Je mange avec ma bouche. Je mange avec ma bouche. I eat with my mouth. I eat with my mouth. Je sens. That sens, I didn't pronounce the last S. So je sens avec mon nez. Je sens avec mon nez. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. J'écris avec ma main. I write with my hand. J'écris. See the pronunciation. J'écris avec ma main. I write with my hand. Avec means with. Now, complaining of ailments. We use the following expressions to complain that one is having one ailment or the other. J'ai des maux de tête. J'ai des maux de tête. J'ai mal à la tête. Or you can say j'ai mal à la tête. I have headache. I have headache. J'ai des maux de tête. Or j'ai mal à la tête. I have headache. J'ai le paludisme. J'ai le paludisme. J'ai le paludisme. Ou bien, or j'ai la fièvre. J'ai la fièvre. I have fever. I have fever or I have malaria. J'ai le paludisme. J'ai la fièvre. I have fever or I have malaria. J'ai la fièvre jaune. J'ai la fièvre jaune. I have yellow fever. I have yellow fever. J'ai la fièvre jaune. J'ai mal à l'estomac. J'ai mal à l'estomac. I have stomach pain or stomach ache. J'ai mal à l'estomac. I have stomach pain or I have stomach ache. J'ai mal aux yeux. I have eye problem or my eyes are paining me. J'ai mal aux yeux. J'ai mal aux yeux. J'ai mal aux yeux. I have eye problem or my eyes are paining me. J'ai le rhume. J'ai le rhume. J'ai le rhume. See the word, it pronounced like the word room in English. J'ai le rhume. I have catarrh. J'ai le rhume. J'ai mal aux jambes. J'ai mal aux jambes. I have leg aches or my legs are paining me. J'ai mal aux jambes. I have leg aches or my legs are paining me. J'ai mal au cou. J'ai mal au cou. My neck is paining me. J'ai mal au cou. My neck is paining me. Now, let us study this conversation a patient have with a doctor. The doctor is le médecin. Le malade is the sick person. Le malade means the sick person. While the doctor means le médecin. Le malade. Bonjour, monsieur le médecin. Good morning, doctor. Le médecin will now reply, bonjour, monsieur. Comment ça va? Good morning, sir. How are you? Le malade, maintenant, the sick person will now reply, ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas. I'm not fine. I'm not feeling fine. It's an expression to say you are not feeling fine. Ça ne va pas. Le malade. Now, le médecin. Qu'avez-vous? Qu'avez-vous? It's a way of asking somebody what is happening to that person. What do you have? Or what is your complaint? What do you have? Qu'avez-vous? Le malade. J'ai le paludisme. J'ai le paludisme. I have fever. J'ai le paludisme. Le médecin maintenant. Depuis quand? Depuis quand? Since when? You know, doctors, they normally like to know when you started having some symptoms. Depuis quand? Since when? Le malade maintenant. Depuis 3 jours. Depuis 3 jours. Or, ça fait 3 jours. since 3 days now, or it is now 3 days. Le médecin will now say, okay, prenez ce médicament. Prenez ces médicaments. Take these drugs. Take these drugs. Prenez means take. Prenez ces médicaments. Médicament means drugs. Take these drugs. Le malade will now say, okay, merci beaucoup. Meaning thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. Assignment for week 1 now. Listen. Find an object for each of the French alphabets. You should be able to mention that. We have given some examples. Write how you will say this in French. That is the second assignment. Write how you will say this in French. I have headache. I have stomach ache. My legs are paining me. I have catarrh. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.